It's called Bread and Brie. It's about my best friend. We went to a concert and before we'd like have a picnic and we had bread and brie and then we were talking about how we're a really good pair, like peanut butter jelly, like milk and cookies, but no, we're bread and brie, so that's just how. I wanna wake up next to you in the morning, honeydew, trace the freckles on your cheeks, connect the dots, place your hands in mine, oh we feel fine, wish I felt this good all the time, sauna out of bed, my melodies in your head, from the night before, when we sat in the sand, guitar strings under my hands, singing songs on the seashore and eating bread and brie. Oh, let's agree to never change our minds. Eating bread and brie. Oh, you and me make such a good pair. It would only be fair to stay in. Oh, 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 oh. To stay in. I could listen to you talk about anything for hours. How you love the fall, but you welcome the April showers. How the world came to be to you, how you still haven't quite found your way through, but that's alright, let go of the past. Let's just make some breakfast, eating bread and brie. No, you and me will never change our minds. Eating bread and brie. No, you and me make such a good pair. It would only be fair to stay in. Oh, 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 oh. To stay in. Bread and brie.